Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, hayibo ulwazi waze wangiphoxa guys. Cabanga, waphoxa mina, waphoxa uGabisile. Hayibo ngaze ngamsizela uGabi guys. So on today's episode of Umkhakha guys, imagine uGabisile before later on they go angithi kuyobika isisu ukuthi bambuze ulwazi ukuthi yamazi le ntombazana or not. uGabisile, way before that meeting, she's speaking nolwazi efonini. Ulwazi is busy telling her ukuthi he can't wait ukum-engager, he can't wait izinto ezinjalo, but on the phone he made it seem ukuthi hayibo uzokwenza izinto ezi-right. uGabisile guys, she was smiling, she was excited ukuthi hayibo ulwazi uzimisele. Hayibo Mokufika kunolwazi guys, uGabisile in fact she is smiling because uyazi ukuthi vele ulwazi is going to say yes uyamazi. Kanti-ke uMakalwazi has already uhlohle ingane wamtshela ukuthi hey wena ikusasa lakho is depending on this answer that you're going to answer. Yazi ulwazi guys mekafika laphayana wathi cha akamazi uGabisile. Yo guys, uGabisile ngamsizela though you could see the hurt in her eyes ukuthi like she's hurt. Kodwa uMamzobe, hayibo uMamzobe you could see ukuthi usazodilisha nabo laba, but guys ingane don't deny igazi lakho. So ulwazi, I really hope ukuthi he changes his mind and he does the right things, because what is this you guys? Anyway guys, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.